Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Johnny. Welcome to the live streaming for Balance Group. Today, I would love to introduce you guys our superstar, Tyre changer G-22. As we all know, G-Series is our prototype. This line more than a useful combination set. We strongly recommend you to get more information about that. Then you will know what I'm saying. Our Tyre changer G-22 is one of our all-star models. When it's launched to the market, it soon became one of the most popular models in the market. This model is not only in high-end quality, but also having a remarkable effort in the market. The unit trapezoid chassis provide a strong support tire changing with the well-held arm and the integrated power unit to save more 50% energy, increase 20% turntable speed, improve 60% of the surface lifetime. 28-inch turntable, or you can optionally equip it with 24-inch turntable. With this assistant, this super automatic tire changer is able to finish the tire changing, tire repairment, and maintaining operation for various tires, including those high-class flat tire or the premise tire. This powerful and humanized design machine is suitable for 4S storage, garage, and all kinds of tire storage to meet the different customers' needs. For all kinds of the tires, G-22 can easily fit that for you. Now, let me take you to experience the charm of our G-22. Welcome to our engineer class. Let's see. This is a flat tire with 90-inch. Generally speaking, this is tire with high difficulty. Now, class will help to press the tire, not like the other ordinary bead breaker shovel, which only can be adjusted in two directions. The bead breaker shovel of G-22 is adjustable in 4 angles, which makes it able to give the pressure force to the different sides of the tires. Our 28-inch turntable is available for biggest tire needs in the market. Its external clamping is 12/6-inch. Its internal clamping is fitting to 28-inch. It will spend a lot of time on the run flat and the low profile tires. Why not considering upgrading your machine to a more powerful and efficient one? G-22 is definitely worth the money. I am Johnny for balance. If you spend a lot of time on the one flat and the low profile tires, why not considering upgrading your machine? If you spend a lot of time on the one flat and the low profile tires, why not considering upgrading your machine to a more powerful and efficient one? G-22 is definitely worth the money. I am Johnny for balance. Thanks for your special visiting. If you spend a lot of time on the one flat and the low profit tires, why not considering upgrading your machine to a more powerful and efficient one? G-22 is definitely worth the money. I am Johnny for balance. Thanks for your special visiting. Let's keep following our Lip Studio. More wonderful products are waiting for you.